Hello friends, welcome to our channel My Tech Mentor, a place where you get all information and tutorials about manufacturing processes, softwares, tools, application and web portals just in a single click. Today's video is a part of IMDS series including several videos, and today's topic is how to register your company on IMDS portal. I wanted to remember one thing to you before starting this session. IMDS series is a little bit complex series, so please don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss some important points. Focus on step-by-step process. If you will miss any step, whole process gone wrong. So let's start the session without wasting our precious time. Go to Google, type IMDS, then click on login. Here you see the web page of IMDS. Registration tab, you see there. First point is register your company. So we click on this link. A pop-up is shown to us. IMDS Material Data System Online Registration. IMDS is funded by the participating vehicle manufacturers for the exclusive use of their supply chains. The basic use of IMDS and its services is free of charge only for suppliers and sub-suppliers of the participating vehicle manufacturers. If you are not sure if your company is a supplier or sub-supplier for one of the participating vehicle manufacturers, please contact one of the IMDS service center. So if you meet these conditions, then check this box and continue. Here you see this service is free of charge. Till now this is free of charge. In future I can't say that they will charge us or not. So without delay, starting our process. Click on continue. You see the form is showing on portal. So we can start the registration process. First we have to write company name, and address. Pin code and city. You can write your mailbox here and also here. If you have your DNS number from your customer, then we can put here. If no, then leave it. Go to next point, select your country. You can see here some boxes have little star marks. These star marks are compulsory. You have to fill all star mark boxes. Okay, go to next point, company administrator. Enter the company administrator data here. The user is responsible for the administration of your company. He creates organizational unit and administrates your company user. Administrator and contact person. What is the difference? The difference is company administrator have master username and password. He can create more contact persons, more users who can send your IMDS by department wise, by unit wise, unit 1, unit 2. Some of companies have 5 to 10 units in different states. So you can put here a name which is mainly responsible for this IMDS, like a window person to IMDS. And this contact person section, you can put unit wise, department wise persons who manage their IMDS. Okay, then I am filling the company administrator detail. Okay, last name, then first name, email address. Paste here and then repeat email. Now we have to add contact person. Department, now mail address of contact person. Email address and then repeat email address. Okay, check all star mark boxes, all filled. We can proceed this. Important notice: should the IMDS company and company administrator be created in IMDS using the provided information, the contact person gets a separate confirmation email. Okay, here information given to us. We have to put company administrator mail and contact person mail are separated. Don't use same mail on both section. Okay, this is important thing you have to remember. We will click on yes. Okay, write down these user ID and password, company ID, company name. Save them a safe place in your system, your diary, or anywhere else. When you save these details, click on confirm and then press OK. Done. We have done. After click on OK, we are going to check our email. Here is the IMDS notification. Click on this. OK. They also mail your login data to Mail. Now we are going to copy all this. Creating IMDS data. I'm going to save all details. Here all login details are saved in as a doc file. You see here, please click on the following link in your browser to activate your company in IMDS. Okay, so we are going to click this. Okay, activation window is open. Please confirm again all these details. Pressing the activate button to activate your IMDS company. After that you can log in immediately using the user ID and password you received during the company registration process. You have to change your password and accept the IMDS term of use during first logon. If you have not registered this company, or if you do not want to activate the company in IMDS, please press the cancel button to discard the company registration. So we are going to click on active. Okay, your IMDS company registration is completed. You can log into IMDS using user ID and password you received during the registration. Click on OK. Now we are going to log in by user ID and password. Fill user ID in. Now password. Click on login. Okay. Term of use. To use the IMDS system is mandatory that you agree without any change or addition in term of use as described below. Okay. Please carefully read all terms related to IMDS. When you read all these terms, then click on accept. Okay. Then second pop-up is open. This pop-up is for data protection, so check on both boxes. Click on OK. Now you have to change your old password to new password. old password, and then I'm changing the new one. This is repeating. Click on OK. Password is changed. There is no active default contact person in your company, or they have not yet activated using link provided in the confirmation email. If you have not yet assigned a default contact person, go to administration, contact person to define a default contact. This contact will shown in all IMDS to which an inactive contact is assigned. Click on OK. This is our IMDS portal. You can see in left top corner your username, your company name, and your company ID. You can share this company ID to your vendor or customer for receiving and sending IMDS. So in next video we will discuss about select our contact person as default and creating new contact person. So thanks for watching. If you like our video, click on like, share this video to your friends and colleagues. If you want to see more videos like related to IMDS, click on subscribe button and then press bell icon. If you have any query related to this topic, you can put your questions in comment box. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.